Today we're gonna make some pancakes. Okay, first you wanna mix it up. To see if you got the right consistency, try it out on a friend. Make sure to get the pan you're using nice and slippery. Then choose the shape you want. I like to use circles. And heat it. Don't ever forget the bacon. The bacon goes like this. This is your oven. You put it in there. Don't forget to make more pancakes. Make sure you put them on a plate because eating them from the pan can be dangerous. Make sure to test your first batch with a friend. And then start your second. It's good to have friends. This is a good time to make some eggs. And maybe some more pancakes. If you get frustrated, sometimes it's good to think of something more frustrating, like cooking something more difficult. If you can't get all the eggshells out of your eggs, don't worry about it, just don't tell anybody. Next, take something pointy and stir the eggs, trying not to remember they could have been baby chickens. These are looking great. You'll know your bacon is done because it's sizzly and it smells really good. You can have a friend help you clean up. And boom! How do you like them eggs and bacons?